Arro card verification usually fails because the app cannot confirm your identity, account details, or required information during the setup process. The fix is usually checking your information, updating the app, and completing the verification steps again. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons Arro card verification fails, and the steps to try before contacting support. Start with your account information. Verification systems compare the details you enter with the information connected to your account. A small mismatch, such as an incorrect name, address, or other personal detail, can prevent the verification process from completing. Check every detail you entered in the Arro app. Make sure your information matches your official records and that there are no spelling errors or outdated details. Next, check your documents and connection. If Arro requires identity verification, make sure any requested documents are clear and readable. Blurry images, missing information, or incomplete uploads can cause verification problems. Take new photos if needed and upload them again. Use good lighting and make sure the entire document is visible before submitting. Your app and device can also affect verification. An outdated app version may cause features to work incorrectly. Update the Arro app through your device's app store and restart your phone before trying again. A weak internet connection can also interrupt the verification process. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if the upload or verification screen does not complete. Another common issue is repeated attempts. Entering incorrect information multiple times can cause additional verification checks. If you keep receiving the same error, stop submitting repeated attempts and review your information carefully before trying again. If the problem continues, contact Arro support. Provide details about the exact error message you see, the steps you already completed, and any troubleshooting you tried. This helps support identify whether the issue is related to your account, verification details, or the app itself. To recap, Arro card verification failures are usually connected to incorrect information, incomplete verification uploads, or app and connection problems. Check your details, update the app, and retrieve the process carefully before reaching out for help. Your next step is to open the Arro app, review your verification information, and fix any mismatched details before submitting again. If this guide helped you fix Arro card verification problems, like the video and subscribe for more payment app fixes and troubleshooting guides.